Welcome back to AI with Manpreet Kaur. Today we are going to look at the Brisk AI, how it makes lesson plans. So let's get started. So first of all, you're going to open a Google Doc and download this. And this is like a Brisk icon. You see this one. When you click on this one, all these options will come up and it has a lot of options like you can create a quiz, syllabus, resources, exemplars, lesson plans, worksheets, lot of them, and even you can create presentations also. So but today we are going to focus on lesson plan. So click on the lesson plan and here, and this will come up, and here you can write the name of the lesson plan which you want to create. For example, here I am writing male versus female reproductive system, and then and ninth grade, and hit brisket, and it will create a lesson plan for you in seconds. It has everything: outline, objectives, activities, all of that. And I'm going to go over these one by one. Okay, so and it also has the option to make it longer or shorter. So let's see what it will create if I add more details. So if I added more details, it is creating again with more detailed lesson plan. So here it is, you can see it is like more detailed. It is giving you more information what you can add in the lesson plan, accommodations and everything. So now let's look at the lesson plan which it created first. So it is giving the grade and learning objective, everything here. Identify the function of reproductive organs, then the common core standards and the next generation standard, but materials are needed, lesson outline, everything here, key discussion points, and finally here what you are supposed to teach, like the male reproductive system, what are their parts, what are their functions, female reproductive system, what are the major parts, their functions, how you do the comparative activity assessment and the homework. And also it is giving you the suggestion for the safety and sensitivity consideration, differentiation strategies, some additional resources which you can add, like the school nurse, you can contact the school nurse and all. And then the potential discussion guidelines also, and it is also telling you the accommodations like alternative assessment method, private discussion, potential challenges. It's also telling you like the student in discomfort, appropriate comments and all that. So let's look at the longer one which we asked for, the more detailed one. Here you see the objectives are more, and here you can see the introduction is also a little bit longer. But always you can modify these lessons according to your need, according to your class and what you are teaching. And over here you see if now the organs and all their functions are in detail, comparative activity and all accommodations, everything. So let's see if it can create a worksheet. So let's make a worksheet for it. Here you go. It created the worksheet that can go with this lesson also. Look at this. You don't have to create anything on your own. It is creating for you, and top of that it is creating a rubric for you also. That is so easy and amazing. I think every teacher should download this Brisk app, AI app, so they can make their work easier. And this worksheet is perfect. That's what I really wanted my kids to have. I hope you guys like it. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. AI with Manpreet Kaur.